Phoenix, the capital of Arizona, is a city where sunshine greets you almost every day of the year, surrounded by stunning desert landscapes. It blends natural beauty with vibrant city life. From scenic hiking trails and botanical gardens to world-class museums and unique cultural spots, Phoenix offers something for every traveler. Whether you love exploring nature, enjoying delicious food, or discovering history and art, this city has it all. Get ready to experience the warmth of the desert and the charm of one of the fastest-growing cities in the United States. Camelback Mountain is one of the most popular outdoor spots in Phoenix. The mountain is named for its shape, which looks like the hump and head of a resting camel. Hikers come here for amazing desert views and challenging trails. The two main paths, Echo Canyon and Chala, are steep and can be tough, but they reward you with breathtaking views of the entire valley. If you prefer a relaxed visit, you can still enjoy the beauty of the mountain from nearby parks and scenic drives. Camelback is a true symbol of Phoenix adventure. Papago Park is a desert oasis right in the heart of Phoenix. The park is famous for its striking red sandstone buttes and the unique hole in the rock formation, where visitors can enjoy an easy climb and wide views of the city. It is also home to walking trails, fishing lagoons, and picnic areas that make it perfect for a relaxing day outdoors. Inside the park, you will also find the Phoenix Zoo and the Desert Botanical Garden, which add even more reasons to visit. Papago Park blends nature, fun, and beauty in one place. South Mountain Park and Preserve is one of the largest municipal parks in the United States. It stretches across thousands of acres of desert landscape and offers miles of hiking, biking, and horseback riding trails. Visitors often drive up to Dobbins Lookout, the highest accessible point in the park, to take in sweeping views of the Phoenix skyline and the valley below. The park is also rich in desert plants, wildlife, and ancient petroglyphs carved by early peoples. South Mountain is the perfect place to enjoy wide-open nature so close to the city. The Apache Trail is a historic route that winds through some of the most dramatic desert scenery in Arizona. Driving this trail takes you past rugged mountains, deep canyons, and sparkling lakes. Along the way, you can stop at scenic viewpoints, explore old towns, and visit landmarks like the Superstition Mountains and Canyon Lake. The road is known for its twists and turns, making the journey itself an adventure. Whether you are sightseeing, taking photos, or just enjoying the desert landscape, the Apache Trail offers an unforgettable experience. Tempe Town Lake is a beautiful waterfront escape, just minutes from downtown Phoenix. The lake stretches along the Salt River and is surrounded by parks, walking paths, and open green spaces. Visitors can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, or taking a boat out on the calm water. It is also a popular spot for biking, jogging, and relaxing by the shore. In the evenings, the lake comes alive with colorful lights and nearby restaurants, making it a lively place to spend time. Tempe Town Lake combines outdoor fun with the energy of the city. Goldfield Ghost Town takes you back to the days of the Old West. Once a booming gold mining town, it is now a recreated historic site where visitors can walk through rustic buildings, explore a mine tour, and watch live reenactments. The town has a museum, shops, and old-fashioned saloons that bring the frontier spirit to life. Surrounded by the Superstition Mountains, it offers a mix of history, entertainment, and striking desert views. Goldfield is a fun place to step into Arizona's past and experience the atmosphere of a real ghost town. A hot air balloon ride over Phoenix is one of the most magical ways to see the desert. As the balloon lifts off, you float gently above wide-open landscapes, with views of mountains, valleys, and endless stretches of cactus. Sunrise and sunset rides are especially breathtaking, when the sky fills with warm colors and the desert glows in golden light. The peaceful silence above the city creates a calm and unforgettable experience. A hot air balloon ride is more than just sightseeing. It is a memory that stays with you forever. The Japanese Friendship Garden is a peaceful retreat in the heart of Phoenix. It was built as a symbol of friendship between Phoenix and its sister city Himeji in Japan. Inside the garden, visitors can enjoy winding stone paths, flowing streams, and a beautiful koi pond filled with colorful fish. Traditional features like wooden bridges, lanterns, and a tea house create a calm and authentic atmosphere. This garden is a perfect place to slow down, reflect, and experience tranquility, surrounded by natural beauty. Mount Pista is one of the most visited peaks in Phoenix and a favorite spot for hikers. The summit trail is steep and challenging, but reaching the top rewards you with sweeping views of the city and the surrounding desert. The mountain is part of the Phoenix Mountains Preserve and is named in honor of Lori Pista, the first Native American woman to die in combat while serving in the United States military. With its mix of history, beauty, and adventure, Mount Pista is a true landmark of the valley. The Desert Botanical Garden is a stunning showcase of desert plants from around the world. Visitors can explore winding trails lined with towering cacti, colorful wildflowers, and unique succulents. The garden highlights how plants survive in harsh desert conditions while creating a space that feels vibrant and full of life. Seasonal events, art displays, and evening light shows make the garden even more special. It is a perfect place to learn about desert ecosystems, take beautiful photos, and enjoy the peaceful beauty of nature.